Hello everyone, we are from the Newton School. This is Ravi. We are from Newton School. The Newton School is all about to learn and develop skills that you need for your best tech career. The Newton School is to develop your skills and prepare you for a great dream job. The Newton School to build and structure your tech career for a dream company worldwide based on your skills, eligibility, performance, and work hard with your till you get into a one of your dream company. By the Newton School, we are offering a Python crash course. Today is the episode 2 of Python crash course. Let's get into episode 2 of Python crash course. Topic Python crash course episode 2. Today's our topics and agenda. Today's our agenda is Introduction to Python Programming, Python Basic Programming. Introduction. We want to discuss about Introduction to Python Programming. Let's get into intro. Python is a used general purpose high level programming language. It was created by Rudolf von Rossum in 1991 and further developed by Python Software Foundation. It was designed with an emphasis on code readability, and its syntax allows programmers to express their concepts in fewer lines of code. Two major Python versions, Python 2 and 3, both are quite different, quickly and integrates in system more efficiently. These are all about the introduction of Python. Next, we want to get into a basic programming of Python. The basic program to write an hello world to print an hello world in the Newton School ID or Newton School online compiler. Now I'm using the Newton School online compiler. Let's get into here. We want to get an hello world as output. We want to give input as hello world. X equals to as the string we want to give is hello world. Let's print X. Next, we want to run this code. X equals to hello world, print X. We can get as output as hello world. We want to run this code and we get as hello world. Next, we can get directly print hello world. Print hello world. And we can get it hello world and print sum of strings. Ravi is from Newton School. Newton School. We can print this. Next, Newton School is a good coding platform. Coding platform. Next, We can run it and we can get the output as Newton School is good coding platform. Next, we have some simple program as sum of two numbers. The basic program, the sum of two numbers. We can take as input x equals to int of input of enter the first value and y. We want to take two inputs for adding two numbers. X equals to input and value. Second value. Next, we want to sum of two numbers or two values x plus and y. X plus y. Next, we want to print the sum. We want to give as a customized inputs for x and y. X as 20 and y as 40. Next, we can run the program. We can get the output as 60. Can get the output as 60. Or else we can write a syntax like this. We can take the input as direct input. Y is equals to 30 and x equals to 20. We can get direct as 30 plus 50 we can get as 30 plus 20 we can get as 50. Yeah, we got the 50 as output. Yeah, next program. Next basic program. We take swapping of two numbers. It is a simple program to learn as basic programming in Python. Let's code here in the swapping. Means we take two numbers and it comes x equal to something and y equal to something. We get as x as y and y as x. X y లాగా వస్తుంది, y x లాగా వస్తుంది. Then x 20 అంటే y 30 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు x goes x పైనకి వెళ్తుంది, y కిందికి వస్తుంది. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్. x equals to 20 and y equals to 30. Then we want to swap temp equal to x and x equals to y and y equals to temp. We want to swap the values. Temp equal to x, x equal to y and y equals to temp. Next, see into it. Then print of x and print of y. Now we can get as x equals to 20 and y equals to 30. Next, x comes y, y comes x. Next, c into, we can run the program. We can run the program. We get as y equals to 20 and x equals to 30. Yeah, we got the answer output as x equals to 30 and y equals to 20. Yeah, then we can take also customized inputs. We take int input. We want to take 10 customized inputs. Let's int input, enter the values, int input, enter the value. We want to take x as 40 and y as 30. Now we want to swap two numbers. Now x comes y and y comes x. Is the output of x swapping of two numbers. Next, we have another simple program called area of triangle. The triangle has three sides. Z is equals to int input, enter the values. S equals to x plus y plus z by 2. Area is equals to S of S of S minus A of S minus B minus B of S minus C S minus C of 0.5. Then print an area. S of, we have taken inputs as x and y and z. X and y and z. This is the inputs we have given, and we want to give the customized inputs as 30, 40 and 50. We got to know now. We want to run a program now. Yeah, we got to know it. Yeah, it's got an error with here. We want to do it s into s minus x. Now it's printed. The value is 18, 1,80,000 is the three sides area, the triangle area. Today's our topic is the conclusion of the topics. We have discussed the basic programming and introduction. The basic programs: hello world, sum of two numbers, swapping of two numbers, and area of triangle. Thank you. We are from the Newton School. This is Ravi. Please do subscribe, share, and like